There's one popular belief in networking that's holding people back from becoming master public speakers. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you how we can move past that belief so you get your message out there in a bigger way and make a bigger impact in the world. So the one belief that comes up is this networking thing. It's about go out there, meet people, go to meetups, go to events, go to coffee meetings. And yet this is holding people back because it's taking so much time. And yet the real mindset to become a master public speaker, which requires practice and putting yourself out there, is that it's not about who you know, it's about who knows you. Okay, and that's the paradigm shift that we need to take on to increase our public speaking skills. Is really, who cares about who you know? The more people that know you, that's where you're known, you're liked, you're trusted, and it shifts so that people are able to engage and work with you. And that's the biggest thing, because when they work with you, that's what allows you to make the big impact in the world. So many entrepreneurs and business owners, they're getting stuck because the fastest way to do this is to get on stages and to do videos. It allows you to build your authority platform, which ultimately people say, yes, that's someone who can help me, and that's who I want to work with. Now, an interesting example about authority platform is about 2 years ago, my business coach was telling me there's this conference in Las Vegas, and he's like, hey, it'd be great, we could go, we could do some joint venture training, start building your business that way, there'd be some amazing people there, do you want to come? And I thought about it, and I'm like, you know what, now I got a lot going on, I'm going to say no. And then he's like, oh, that's interesting, because Gary Vaynerchuk's going to be there, and I thought you'd want to see him do a keynote. And I said, whoa, hang on, Gary Vaynerchuk's going to be there? I'm like, okay, I'm in. And he's like, what the hell, man? You said I had all this thing, we do this training, and you said you wouldn't do it. I say Gary Vaynerchuk's going to be there, and now you're in. Now, a little backstory is that Gary Vaynerchuk, back in 2010, when I was starting my business, Gary Vaynerchuk was the one person that I would watch his videos, and the message about put yourself out there, keep building, add value, put out good stuff, and people will see you. When I had just a mountain of self-doubt and critics and people saying that it was crazy starting this business, that was the one message that kept me going. It gave me that courage to keep pushing forward, to put myself out there in spite of all the self-doubt. And 9 years later, it built me up in a much bigger way. And so the opportunity to see Gary Vaynerchuk live in person and potentially meet him, that was a big opportunity that I could not pass up. And so think about it from an authority standpoint. It's who do you want to connect with, right? How do you want to get out there? The more people, the more that you build that authority and that platform, the more people that are going to want to engage with you. And so that's why speaking on stages and speaking on video is the fastest way to position yourself as the authority, to really make that impact, because it gives them a chance for them to say, okay, I see you, I like you, I believe in your mission, and I believe that you can help me get results to achieve my dreams. And that's the thing, as business owners and entrepreneurs, our goal is to get exposure. It's to be positioned at the highest level, a thought leader in our industry, because that's where we're able to really make change. That's where we're able to make that impact that we want. And so that's the shift that we need to do. Now, there's a whole bunch of nerves and self-doubt and judgment and all these elements that we have to move through, but public speaking is a skill. So to master public speaking, you have to say yes to putting yourself out there, whether it be on stage or on video. And so looking at it from a standpoint that shifting the script, that it's not about who you know, but it's about who knows you, that's the paradigm shift in your mindset that's going to say, hey, let me give myself permission to start putting myself out there, even if I don't feel ready. That's the big thing. You will never feel ready, but it's about that action of putting yourself out there, about getting those views, about getting those stages, about getting the reps in, because I promise you, as you start doing that, your skill set's going to develop, you'll feel more confident, and you're going to be making a bigger impact in the world. And for example, why it's so powerful is I think back to even conferences. I've gone to conferences as a speaker, and I've gone to conferences as an attendee. And I'll tell you, maybe you've been there yourself, it is a completely different experience. When you are there with that speaker's badge, people seek you out. They want to talk to you, they want to buy you lunch, they want to position you like, hey, how can you help me? And when you go as an attendee, it's like, oh yeah, this is just another person trying to sling business cards and drum up some business. It's a completely different position. And I don't know about you, but for me, I would love to go in a position where people are seeking me out instead of going, hey, you think I can help you? It's a completely different place to operate from. And that's the position that I want you to take on as a mindset to become a master public speaker, but to build your influence, to build your impact and to build that dream business that really serves you, but also your clients. And so on this journey, there's going to be a whole bunch of self-doubt that's going to come up. To move past it, and I encourage you to push past it, knowing that it's about who knows you. So go past your fears and focus on the impact you can make for your ideal clients. To say, hey, I have a message that can absolutely help you achieve your dreams, and often that's going to give you the courage needed to put yourself out there on stage and on video. Now, that being said, a lot of people, we need mentorship, we need guidance, we need support to fast track our results, to make sure that we don't make these mistakes. If that's you and you would love someone to take you step by step along the path to go from speaking maybe a little bit nervous with a lot of fear to owning it, to being able to put yourself out there on stage and on video, I would love to help you, and I have a number of programs that will support you to make that dream your reality. So go to levelupliving.com. That's the fastest way to go on there. We have different programs, Speak with Confidence, Confident on Video. Go up there, select the program that's going to be helpful for you, and I promise you, this is the best investment you can make in your business, because the more people that know you, that like you, that trust you, and they see you in that authority platform, be either on stage or on video, the faster you're going to make the impact that you're put on this planet to make. So again, go to levelupliving.com, and I wish you all the success in making your dreams a reality.